Guys, so quick disclaimer, as I'm trying to edit this video, I can be seeing, alright, so I'm in my robe. It's like literally 6 o'clock in the morning. I am just trying to make a smoothie. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite smoothies that I've been drinking for my 21-day reset. This is the Berry Bliss smoothie, and I'm going to show you step by step on how I do it. So I hope you enjoy. There's a disclaimer that I am in my pink robe. But you know what? You don't always have to look good on YouTube, alright? You can be in your robe, you can have just woken up, and this is anyways a tutorial on how to better yourself. And one thing is feeling good about yourself, even if you're in a pink robe and you just woke up. So that's my disclaimer for you guys, and I hope you enjoy. Love you guys. Bye. Hi guys. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite smoothies, the Berry Bliss smoothie. In this video, you're going to need 1 cup of organic coconut milk and a cup of your favorite berries. I'm using the Medley berries. I got them from Walmart, Great Value, and I use the Great Value brand. And you just need 1 cup of that. Also, the blender that I'm using is the Ninja blender. I'll have that linked down below in the description if you guys were interested in getting that. So yeah, so let's get started. So first you're gonna see that I'm pouring in the liquid first. Don't do that. First put in the fruit and then put the liquid on top because it's gonna splash everywhere. I was smart enough to go ahead and put it on top of the sink, so in case if it did, it'd go into the sink. But just prevent the entire situation completely and just do the fruit first and put the liquid on top. In the Ninja settings, now I kind of use the IQ button. I just press the IQ button so that way it can sense what's in the blender. That way it'll blend with the time that's necessary for that smoothie. Also, I put in a fresh banana. I didn't use a frozen banana. I put a fresh banana and I kind of sliced it. You'll see me slice the banana. You'll see me slice half the banana first, blend the smoothie because I did run out of room, and then take out the smoothie and go ahead and slice up the rest of the banana. On the while, I was using the different pressures like low and medium, but now I've known that you can use the IQ button. That way it'll sense what needs to be blended and what doesn't. And yeah, so you'll see me just keep getting all those ingredients together and blending it up to make a smoothie. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.